Have you ever dreamed of turning your love for movies into a money-making machine? Wonder how you often get some movie clips on YouTube on a random channel without any copyright problem. Today, I've got a super cool trick to share with you. Imagine making cash just by sharing movie clips on YouTube. And guess what? No copyright hassles. It's like turning your favorite hobby into a paycheck. So grab a seat, because I'm about to spill all the secrets and show you how easy it is to cash in on your movie obsession. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the details, let me show you something pretty cool. There's this channel called Story Recapped. They've got tons of videos and a massive 1.56 million subscribers. And guess what? They're only uploading movie clips. And they're making big bucks from it. Like, seriously big. They're pulling in around $44,000 every month from this one channel alone. And they're getting a crazy 11 million views each month. Wondering how they're doing it? Stick around, because I'm about to spill the beans on their secret. Here are the 5 steps that you need to follow to create a channel like Story Recapped and earn passive income from it. Step 1. Select a movie. Now, when it comes to picking a movie, you've got options. But here's a tip. Head over to a well-known site called IMDb. It's like a treasure trove of movies. Just click on the menu button and go for the popular ones. But here's the kicker. Instead of going for the latest blockbusters, aim for ones that are about 2 to 3 years old and not crazy popular. Trust me on this. You can save those big hits for later, when your channel's all set and making money. For now, stick to the ones that are just average. So pick a movie from there, and let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate script from ChatGPT. I am using a prompt to generate a script for a movie. Here's a prompt that you can customize by your will. I'm going with the Iron Man 2 movie because, well, I'm a huge Iron Man fan. So I'll paste a customized prompt into ChatGPT, asking it to generate a script for me. If the script turns out a bit short, no worries. I'll just ask it to expand and voila! I'll have a full script ready for my movie clip video. Once I've got the script, it's time to move on to the next step. Step 3. The voiceover. Since there are a lot of AI voiceover tools available in the market, like 11 Labs and Speechify, but they are mostly paid ones, I have a free alternative that you can use, and it has a lot of options to customize your voiceover. Head towards PlayHT AI and click Try for Free. Sign up with your Google account, and here you have a dashboard. Now paste your script here and let PlayHT do its magic. It will generate paragraphs that you can customize with different AI voices and accents. Select your favorite and you can generate separate voiceovers for each paragraph, or do the same with all. Click on Generate All and it will start.
Iron Man 2 unfolds amidst as Iron Man. His decision to demand that he relinquish his Iron Man.
Now click on Export and your voiceover is ready. Step 4. Movie clip selection. If you're looking for pre-made movie clips, hop over to YouTube and search for the ones you need. Here's a crucial tip. Go for clips with fewer views to avoid any issues. Take, for example, Iron Man clips. Some videos might have fewer views compared to others. That's the gold mine you're after. Select a video like that for editing. Or if you prefer, you can download the entire movie and edit its clips. Now you might be wondering, how do I edit the whole movie without getting hit with the copyright problem? Well, that's what the last step of this process is all about. Let's dive into it. Step 5. The editing trick. Now you have your voiceover and clips ready. Time for the trick. You need to use CapCut or Filmora video editor to do this editing, or you can use any other video editor. The choice is yours. Find and cut the suitable scenes from the movie that match the voiceover. Here applies a CFF rule. Crop filter and flip 1. Crop movie clips every 5 seconds and change the aspect ratio to. Add effects, filters, and transitions between scenes. Flip the videos. Simply create a new channel and upload it with a proper SEO title and tags. You have your movie recap channel ready.